Assalamu alaikum. Our series of Microsoft Excel related videos. In the last video, we have discussed how to make a graph, a bar chart graph or line graph. Now, in this video, we will discuss how to make a graph with a target. Mostly these types of graphs are made for the data analysis purpose in actual sales versus target, actual production versus target, actual inventory versus target for comparative analysis. Here I have put the data already for the sake to save the time. Now you can see months detail January to December. In second column, here is apple. I have taken fruit apple sales kg month January to December, and third column is target. How to draw the graph? First of all, I have to select the data, then go to option insert. Here you can select second option, and you can here OK. Here is the graph. You can see below line is the actual data. We can more clarify it by adding figures. I have selected this below line, right click and go to option add labels. Here value that will put. In same way I can select his here orange line and go to option add data labels. Here targets have been put. Now you can say this is very complex data. We can more clarify it by rotating the direction of this text. First I can select one figure, double click, and here text option, select and rotation, rotate it, and now in the same way second data I can select any figure and go to rotation. We can select this target data, and now selected has been. Now in this picture you can see uh, here is below lines are all actual data and orange line are target data. Here the bar is 5000. We can see we can convert into the same target as per month, 2200. So you can select the same figure and drag it the same target. Now you can see all the target figures are same here and actual. If we want to change some target figure, let's October data, we can convert it to 5000. Here ultimately graph has been changed. I hope by this video your concept about the graph with the target line or targets would be very clear. We shall see you in next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.